Stop being played. The online business world is a scam factory filled with funnels that collapse, ads that drain your wallet, and promises that never pay out. You've been sold dreams that turn into debt, and the only ones getting rich are the ones selling you the lie. Enough is enough. Now stay with me to the end, because I'm not just exposing the problem. You'll see exactly how I rebuilt from zero, the 3 bonuses that flip the script on traffic, leads, and duplication, and why this funnel finally makes sense for any online business. If you've ever been burned, if you've ever wondered if there's actually a system that works, the payoff is waiting at the end. Is the Home Business Academy legit or scam? Make money online. You've wasted thousands on ads that never convert, tools that overpromise, and systems that collapse the second you stop grinding. That's not entrepreneurship, that's exploitation. You've got no leverage, no duplication, no authority. You're stuck trading time for pennies, while the so-called experts cash in on your desperation. You're building their brand, not yours. That's why we rebuilt from zero. No hype, no gimmicks, no smoke and mirrors. A funnel that finally makes sense. A system that gives you control, duplication, and authority from day one. Proof woven in, not promised later. Tools that don't just look good, they convert. Training that doesn't overwhelm, it empowers. This isn't about chasing the next shiny object. This is about building a business that compounds. You're invisible. You're posting, hustling, grinding, and still nobody sees you. Algorithms bury you. Competitors outspend you. And your message gets drowned in the noise. And most of these people that are actually making money are using not only a funnel, but an email sequence. In other words, an autoresponder. You're not failing because you're lazy. You're failing because the system is designed to keep you invisible. And here's the part nobody tells you. The one shift that changes everything. Stick with me, because in a moment I'll show you how this funnel flips the script on traffic, leads, and duplication in a way most marketers don't want you to know. You're building alone. No duplication, no leverage, no system that trains your team while you sleep. You're stuck restarting from scratch every time someone quits. That's not a business, that's a treadmill. Here's the blunt truth. If your funnel can't generate leads while you sleep, you don't own a business. You own a job that's pays worse than your 9 to 5. That's why this funnel flips the script. It's not just another program. It's the solution for any online business. So you get traffic and leads training, but not just you, but your people do too. You stop being invisible. You know exactly how to get eyes on your business daily. You stop waiting for payouts. You get paid directly to your bank account. You stop building alone. Every member you bring in gets trained step by step, so your results multiply without you burning out. This isn't theory. This is proof. I rebuilt from zero, and I'm showing you every step. No hype, no gimmicks, no guru, no smoke and mirrors, just a funnel that finally makes sense to actually make money online. So now, look at my email, 3450, that's to write to my Bank of America account, 8305, pause it if you need to, or write it down, 145, and this one isn't loading, and 650. So 650, 145, 8305, and 3450. Now I'm going to log into my bank account. Bear with me. Alright, so as you can see, the ones I'm going to point out are actual deposits. 145 from the Home Business Academy, okay? 650 from the Home Business Academy. 3450 from the Home Business Academy. And 8305 from a different program. So you can actually see that I'm being paid from multiple income streams, okay? And this is the exact training you get when you join Simple Freedom Warriors, okay? This right here and this right here are free gifts no matter what level you join. This is the exact steps that I'm about to show you when I show you live ranking proof that I can rank any keyword, okay? Every time I try to keyword, I rank on the first page of Google. I'm sorry, YouTube. And I often rank on Google too. Anytime. So there's videos where I show you where I try one search term, a buyer search term by the way, and I can rank 12 to 20 times. You can see my face, okay, with my videos, okay? And this is Simple Freedom Warriors, okay? This is a 100% free gift. You're able to claim access to the Simple Freedom Warriors $7 Academy. Earn 50% commission on all products. You heard me right. No matter, even if you're at the $7 level, which has a ton of training, by the way, you can get paid up to $1,500, $3.50 to $1,500 to your favorite payment processors. This and this site right here, which is Team Freedom Warriors, right, are the tools I'm using every single day to dominate YouTube. And you can too for any program, okay? You can dominate any program with this, right? So I'm actually going to show you what that looks like. And the first step, by the way, is to schedule a call with our team leader, right? And every day, he also meets you at 10 a.m. MST, okay? Here's a time zone conversion. And he will help you, show you how to make money online and help you build your business, okay? Live coaching schedule. These are all the bonuses, and I haven't mentioned right now the Let's Go. If you go with own Let's Go Funnel Builder and Premium, you get access to my team traffic rotator, okay? We give you all these bonuses to give to your people so you can create real duplication and give people things that will actually generate traffic, leads, signups, and potentially sales as well, okay? You'll be the person everybody wants to join because you're with the best team, you have the best training, and you are learning attraction marketing, and you are using a Home Business Academy, a funnel builder. All this stuff builds any online business. It doesn't matter what you're selling, it will build that online business, okay? And like I said, you'll be able to offer that traffic rotator as well. What does that mean? That means everybody's going, every time somebody wants to, wants a traffic rotator, they increase your income by $128 a month. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so show you real ranking proof, right? Okay, so I'm gonna, as you can see, I'm incognito. See the real results, right? Search. Okay, so there's my video right there, the fourth, okay? And honest review. There's my video right there, fourth overall. And most of these you can see multiple things. Here's another video. And another video, etc., etc., etc. Now this is the Google for Home Business Academy Dream Blueprint. There's an Instagram post. There's a YouTube video. Okay? On the first page of Google. The Dream Blueprint is the top video. This is a sponsored. It's an ad. It does not count. Number 1. And you can see there I am again. And there's a related video. And another video. And the DFY marketing system is the coup de grace. Watch. Not only am I ranking number 1 on Google, I'm ranking number 1 on YouTube as well. Now watch this. I'm going to load and watch how many times. I'll do only about 12 because it take a long time to scroll 20. Now watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 4 videos are mine. Okay? And when I say me, think of you and your team, okay? This is what your team is going to be trained the same things. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 videos. And there's more if I scroll down. There's another one right there. And another one, and another one. 15. Okay? So, I'm actually showing you, put my money where my mouth is. I'm showing you the actual thing. And not only that, but I will buy the traffic if you get the 3 products I said. Now, at any level, you get the exact steps to build any online business, right? Right here. Team Freedom Warriors and Simple Freedom Warriors. Okay? These are bonuses that come at any level, whether you get the $10 level, the HBA Let's Go app, the $25 level, the HBA Funnel Builder, or the HBA Premium, okay? And one last thing before we wrap up, okay? I can't promise you'll make any money. Any results I've shown are mine, and yours will depend on your effort, consistency, and how seriously you treat this like a real business. You got to be consistent, and you can't be looking for the next shiny object, right? Build your business and stand out and become the badass affiliate you know you can be, right? If you're looking for push-button riches or overnight success, this isn't for you. But if you're ready to put in the work, the system is here and the proof is real. I want to show you one last thing before I bounce out, right? So give you actual value, okay? So I'm going to go to this video right here, right? I'm going to get this video right here. The Home Business Academy Honest Review. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hit copy. Now I'm going to go to the website, right? I'm going to change this title. This is how easy it is to make a funnel out of any video. Paste. Okay? Then I'm going to go back to the video. I'm going to hit the share button. I'm going to copy this share code. Okay? I'm going to go back to the video, right? I'm going to change the video. Sorry. Clicked the wrong thing. No, I don't want to do that. Okay, I'm going to refresh. Reload. Just so you can see, because I clicked on the wrong thing. Bear with me here. Okay, so I already changed to show you how to change the title. Hit edit video, click here, and paste. And watch the video change. Okay? Now, you want to take that, get the title again, right? What's this? You're creating some extra backlinks, extra traffic for your site, okay? And you're going to send this to your list every single day, your YouTube video, okay? Now watch. And this is going to get you an avalanche of traffic that's evergreen. These videos will be here for years, getting you traffic, leads, and sales from a one-time effort. And the more you do it, the more you're going to see. So why you see showed you 15 videos? That's how you do it. Because the more you post, the more Google and YouTube will show your stuff, and very easily. Because like I've shown you all those terms, I didn't do the same video over and over again with the same title, right? I mean, this Home Business Academy Dream Blueprint. Now it's showing you residual income. None of those same words are in there. Okay? None of those same words are in there. See what I mean? Okay, so I'm going to go back and get that title. And what you do is, I'm running out of time, is to go over here, right? And put the title in 4 different times at your video, right? So you click here, hit show settings. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. You paste it in here, hit save. You hit save right here. That's it. Is the Home Business Academy legit or scam? Make money online? That's the question. I'm showing you the answer. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly Man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.